In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine photos on your iPhone or iPad, whether you want them side by side or vertically. After watching this video, if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like to this video. So, let's get started. To do this, we will use InShot app. Open the App Store. Then search for InShot. Now download and install this app on your iPhone. After downloading, open this app. On the home screen, tap on Collage. Now you'll be prompted to select photos from your camera roll. Choose the photos you want to include in your collage. Once you've selected the photos, then tap the checkmark icon. After that, InShot will automatically create a basic collage with the selected photos. Now you can change the layout. To do this, tap on here. Now swipe through different layout options and select one that you like. You can rearrange the photos by dragging them to different positions. Tap on each photo to adjust its size or crop it within the collage. You can also adjust the border thickness and color by tapping the border option. You can also round the corners of the photos if you prefer. Once you're satisfied with your collage, tap on Save icon in the upper right corner. By following these steps, you should be able to create beautiful photo collages on your iPhone using the InShot app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips on your Apple devices. Thanks for watching.